Welcome back to Corvette Warehouse. My name is Jason. Today we have a 2014 Laguna Blue C7 Stingray. This thing is decked out. Only 10,604 miles, 52,995. Again, Laguna Blue. This one has a carbon flash black stinger stripe, chrome wheels, chrome badging all around. This one also has the transparent roof, so I don't know if you can see my hand through there. So this is the transparent roof. Guess that's great for those night drives. But again, this is also going to be basically it's a target top. And what you'll do is you'll just come over here. We'll take a look under the trunk space here. I'm going to pop this, and there you go. So the roof is going to stow. You got two little points of contact right there. You're going to push it down, and then there are pins on each side that will press into place. So your roof is stowed solid. It's not just floating around. Plus, you can put some stuff underneath there. If you have some like soft bags, some little groceries or whatever, you can put that in there. You can grab this right here and pull it down. Now, this is not a soft close. I believe 17 was the first year of the soft close. Might have been before that, but the 2014s are not. It has the NPP exhaust. Again, chrome badging. This is a Z51 and has the Z51 paint match spoiler right there. But I think the key to this car, besides the beautiful blue, and look at that, I don't know if you can see it in the light, but there is a lot of metallic flake. Absolutely beautiful. One of my favorite blues. But check it out. There's a lot of things going on here. First that you're going to see is, of course, it has the brownstone interior. Probably one of my favorites. I don't see this very often. I've seen a couple here lately, but man, I love this. Look at that. That leather is just stunning. Secondly, right there, this is a manual transmission. So for those of you that consider that the proper gearbox, okay, there you go, right there. 7-speed manual transmission. It also has the dry carbon dash. Now we'll set inside here real quick because I always love to show this. One of my favorite parts of the C7, bam, that storage space right there, that little hideaway. You can keep a lot of stuff in there. But do watch if you have a large phone, like I have the Pro Max, and sometimes it'll get stuck, and then it has to beat around a little bit more to, be able you can get it out. But you got the glove box right here, and then under the armrest, more storage, 12 volt and some USB plugs. You also have the memory seats with this one. So if you see your buttons right there, you can set your memory seats, of course, power locks, all that good stuff. But again, there you go. So you can see through the roof right here. But more storage right along in here. But man, I tell you, this is a beautiful car. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. You're going to reach down underneath right there, pull that lever. You're going to step out and pop the hood. I've said this many times, but I've always loved how it opens from the back instead of the front on the C7s or Corvettes for the most part in general outside of the C8. I always thought that was the coolest thing ever as a kid. I always wanted a Corvette for that reason among many others. But beautiful V8 engine, so of course these are going to sound really good. Nothing, to me, not much better than a beautiful American V8 engine. But what do you guys think? There's so much that you can do with these as well to make it your own. You can get front splitters, kind of like this one over here. Now this is just a plastic front splitter, but if you daily drive it, that might be the way you want to go, because if you damage it, less expensive. Or you could go with the carbon flash front splitters, similar to this one, if you even wanted one. Just more stuff to damage. Now, this is a stage 3 front splitter, or you could do side skirts like you see on here. You can put all that on there. You can do diffuser fins on the back. You can swap the exhaust, have black tips, whatever you want to do. There are so many options that you can do with the C7, along with any of the other Corvettes. C8 also has a lot of accessories, aftermarket. But anyway, this car is available right now at Corvette Warehouse in Dallas.